Okay, first possession goes to Predica, 2 points by Nick Valdemoro. Okay, now Austin Morales to Patrick Ramos, number 7. Good crossover to Brian Medina, pull up 2 points by Mr. Medina. It's all 2. Wow! Okay, Predica, Mr. Pau to their team captain, Nicole Bautista, to Nicola Lucia, to Nicolas, back to Bautista, Nicolas, to Nick Valdemoro, to Pau. Nice move, Pau. Oh, no good. Give up by Zamudio, number 3. Now, Patrick Ramos. Magaling itong batang ko. Oh, foul. There's a foul. Foul de Leon. Foul de Leon, that's your first personal foul. And first team foul. 2 free throws to be awarded to number 7, Patrick Ramos. Yeah, itong batang ko, magaling to. Oh, first free throw by Patrick again. Let's see the second one. Okay. Second is good. 2 for 2 from Mr. Patrick Ramos. Okay, now Nicole Bautista. Okay. Pass to Nicola. Okay, guarded by Brian, I'm sorry. Nicola for 3. No good rebound by Zamudio. 3-point shot by Brian for 3. He's scoring 7-2 in favor of Swish City. Now Pau de Leon to Nicola. To Nicole for 3. Nicole! Bumawi po si Mr. Gunner. The Gunner Bautista. His score is 7-5. Now, Mighty Max. Guarded by Nicolas. Pareho pumalit. Paliksin. Pareho. To Zamudio. Nice pass pa. Pure. Laro. Viva by Valdemoro. Nick. Ayun pass to Mr. Nicole. Okay. Nice pass to Valdemoro. Oh, laro. Viva by Patrick Ramos. Okay, Patrick. Walk. Consumer. Walk. Galing yung bata. Bata pa yan. Pero magaling, ha? Now, this is Austin Morales. Austin. Oh, foul. That's a foul. Oh, and 1. Foul, Mr. Nicolas. That's your first.
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Nicolas. Yeah.
3 purple.
That's your first personal, Mr. Nicolas. And second team foul. Bonus free throws to be awarded to number 11, the Mighty Mouse. It's good. He's scoring 10-5, 5-point lead by the team Swish City. 3-point shot by Pau! No, 3-point by Brian. No, Brian. To Patrick Ramos. Back to Brian. To Zamudio for 3. Long. Rebound by, good save by Mr. Morales. Nicolas. Ahead pass to, no good by Nicola Rustia. Okay, now Patrick Ramos to Philip Duran. No good, rebound by Nicola. Okay, he got slow again. Okay, now Nicole drive! Ganun-ganun yung move niya last time to bowlers. Kaliwa nga lang last time. Ngayon kanan. Okay, now Mr. number 7 to number 10. Okay, Austin Shore. First attempt by Austin is not good. Okay, I mean second attempt. First attempt people. Now, Nicole! Looks like this number 13 is trying to carry this team, huh? The score is all 10. Now Patrick Ramos, good move by Patrick to Zamudio, to Brian. Nice move by foul. There's a foul, number 13.
Yeah, good.
Nicole Bautista. That's your first personal foul and third team foul. Zamudio out. number 30, the captain and the lion. Oh, good steal. Steal completed by Pao. Okay, Alexander layup by Nicolo Lucia. Good for 2. Up.
A purple shirt.
Okay, foul number 3. That's your second personal foul, Nicolas, and 14 fouls. Okay, now number 11 to the captain, John Medina. Nice pass over the middle. It's a block. Oh, nice follow-up move by number 10, Philip Duran. Okay, now Mr. number 9. Nice pass to Nicolo. To the goal. Drive. Pull up. No good rebound. Good tap by Mr. Medina. Now Morales. Austin Morales. To Philip Duran. 3-point shot. Short. Rebound by Nicolo. Oh, nice pass to Pao. 2 points by Mr. the Dominator, Pao De Leon. Okay, number 7, Patrick Ramos. Oh, nice pass. Oh, there's a foul. Foul, Nick Baltimore. That's the first personal foul and 15 fouls. 2 free throws to be awarded to Mr. Patrick Ramos. So Ramos. First one is good. Substitution. Nicolas out. Number 17 is Scavenger in. Okay, let's see the second free throw. It's good again. The score is 14 all. 14 all. Okay, now Pao De Leon. To the goal for 3. Oh, lampas-lampo. Rebound by Philip Duran. Duran, number 7, Patrick Ramos. To number 30. Laid up, no good. No, head pass to Nicole. Ang bilis ko. Oh! Akala ko nagulas isa. Buti na shoot pa rin. 2 points by Nicole Bautista. Short by Patrick, rebound by Pao. Okay, number 9. Pao De Leon, pass to Nicolo. Oh. Di ka naman mawala. Good back pass to Pao. Nice pirouette move. No good. Rebound by number 30. Mondina. John. Pass it to the brother, Brian. Also for Brian. 3-point shot by Brian. Wow, rebound by Baltimore. Nick Baltimore. Nagmamadali. Back to Nicolo. Okay, Nicolo. 3-point shot by Nicolo. No good rebound by same ball. Last shot number 10. Philip Duran. Substitution rep. Sub. Yeah, good. Okay. Baltimore out. Now, Nicole Bautista. To number 8. Follow-up shot by Mr. Pao De Leon for 2. 18-14 is the score. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Now, team number 11, Austin. Patrick Ramos is 2 points by Patrick Ramos. The score is 18-16. 2-point lead by Swish City. Okay, now, oh, nice pass to Pao. Oh, nice pass by Pao De Leon. 2 points by Caldonero. Professor by number 1, by Caldonero. To number 13, Mondina. Shot by Mondina, 2 points by the captain, John Mondina. The score is 20-18. Okay, 42 seconds remaining. Okay, Nicolo. To no good. Scavenger is there. 2 points by the Scavenger number 17, Dan Talo. Okay, Austin Morales is 24 seconds remaining. Austin. There's a foul. Foul number 9, Pao De Leon. That's your second personal foul and 15 4, 2, 1. Okay, so in the first quarter, to number 3, back to number 13. Oh, to Austin Morales, target by Tancalo. Oh, good crossover. Good target by Tancalo, good defense by Tancalo. Crossover by number 11. Oh, to Zamudio. Drive by Zamudio, shot. 2 points by Mr. Zamudio, number 3. Okay, now Altamirano. Can we go? Oh! To Kyle. I'm sorry, Kyle. No, Altamirano. Back to Kyle Caldanero. To Kyle De Leon. Good move. Good rebound by Austin. Nagmamadali ba si Austin? Oh! Nalito. Good backside. Rebound by Altamirano. To Dancalo. Dancalo. There's a foul. There's a foul. Number 10, Philip Duran. That's over. Philip Duran. How many fouls Philip Duran has? Kabila. Duran. Philip. First personal foul and first team foul. Now Austin Morales for 3. Okay, it's 25-22. 3 points lead now by Swiss City. 3 point Austin. Okay, time. Sorry, 3 points up by Nicole. Oh, 25. Nakakatatlong 3 points sa potong si Mr. Nicole Bautista. Now, number 13. To Patrick Ramos. To Patrick Cardigan-Gold. Oh, good move by Patrick. Good crossover. Whoa! Number 7 for 2. Ramos, 27-25. Okay, Kyle De Leon to Altamirano. Nicole for 3. Another team. Good rebound by number 11. Number 11. Nagmamadali po. Tumigil. Oh. To Patrick. Okay, Patrick Ramos. Oh, nice block! Ang galing po. 2 points again. Time out. 6 minutes remaining in our second quarter. Okay, Nicola Rucia now to Caldanero. Okay, now Nicola to Altamirano. To Foul. 2 points by Kyle De Leon. 27-29. 2 point lead by Swiss City. Okay, now Brian, the puncher leader to Patrick Ramos. So, private by good touch. Now Patrick Ramos to Brian. Brian the quick. Left or long. Rebound by number 3 Zamudio. Shot by Zamudio. Nice rebound by Altamirano. To Nicola Rucia. Drive by Nicola. Long. Rebound by number 1. Now Patrick. Whoa! Foul. Who's foul? Oh no, the Scavengers foul. Who's foul? Yeah, Scavenger, Dan Gallo. That's your first personal foul and first team foul.
How many team fouls do we have so far?
First. The first one, first team foul number 7 is no good. Let's see the second team foul by number 7. Wala. 30-27. Okay, now, Mr. Rucia to Altamirano. 3 points shot by Altamirano. Yes! Rebound by Brian. Side shot move. No good. Rebound by Kyle. Caldanero. 2 points by Kyle Carbonero, 29-30, 1 point lead by Fish. Okay, the captain number 30. Shot number rebound by Pao. Julian, Pao rebound there by Pao. Oh, steal. Oh, steal by Brian. From defender. Oh, steal. Steal back. To Dan Carlo. 2 points by Dan Carlo. It's 31-39. 1 point lead by Sebegan. Ganda natin. Okay, number 30 to Patrick. Good pick by foul. Good foul. Okay, Altamirano, foul. That's the first personal and second team foul. Substitution there. Okay, pasan po. Number 30 out. Number 11 in. And Altamirano out. Baltimore in.
Second.
Second team foul.
Second.
The second quarter na to.
Pero ano ba yung mukha natin? Pero natin sa 7
7.
in quarter or half?
Half ba dapat?
Oo, dapat half yan eh. So, dapat 1-1. Okay, oo, 1-1. 1-1!
Wait, we're changing rules again? Dude, come on, he knows. Oh, man.
Ano ba? Every quarter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do it here.
Okay. Alright.
No, second team foul.
Second team foul.
Sticking to your rule.
Okay, side ball.
We'll start on the drop. Just hold the clock until the drop.
Yeah, I stopped it.
Hey, Bernie, we lost time, so I told him start on the drop. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, to shooting ball to Zanugo. Patrick Ramos to Austin, guarded by Baltimore. To number 1. Up to Zanugo. No good rebound by Brian. They out-hustled the Puerto team. There's a ball. After first free throw. Foul Russia. That's the first, I think. First, right? First personal foul and 13 foul. Laging pasak dan shot. Second one is good. Pasok.
Hey, one stop. Try again. One stop.
Okay.
You attack them inside.
Russia pull up number 1. Oh, followed by Nick Baltimore for 2. It's 32-31. 2 point lead by Team Puertica. Baltimore. Okay, number 7, number 1. Oh, 2 points by Brian Mundina. It's all 32-all. Adrian, shot, no good rebound by number 10, Philip. To number 7, Patrick. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining. Philip guarded by Nicole. To Brian, guarded by Hannah. To Austin Morales. To number 1, Brian, guarded by Nicole. 3-point shot by Brian. No good rebound by Outing ball. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Okay, so shooting number 7. Patrick Ramos, guarded by Kyle Carbonero.
Good shit, Pat.
Rebound by Nick. Nice pass to Nicole for 2. 25-33 is the score. Okay, Austin Morales to number 7. Brian, nawa 2 points. It's all 45, 42 seconds remaining. Calderon. To the goal. Okay, Nicola to back to the goal by Pisa. All 35, Nicola. Good have a pick for foul. Pass to Nicole. Good pick. 3-point shot. 2 points. 6 seconds remaining. Nice pass. 2 points by foul. 2 points by foul to Leon. 39-37. Nakasilaw yung ano. Yung pinto. Can we close the order? Shot by Patrick Ramos is no good. We are because another rebound by Brian to Philip for 3. Rebound by Nicole to Pangilion. Rebound again by foul. Inside ball. Predica ball. Okay, Nicola Lucia inbounding ball to number 23, Albinero. Back to Nicola. Nicola drive. Yeah, 2 points for Nicola. It's a 4-point lead now by Predica. Now Brian. Brian Dina to number 11, Austin Morales. Good defense by Mr. number 13. To Brian, back to Patrick Ramos. Okay, to Austin, guarded by Kyle. Back to Brian. Guarded by timeout. John Mondina. To Austin. Austin to Brian, guarded by Nicola.
By Kyle. Give it big.
Follow by Nick Baldemoro for 2. Masih Nick Baldemoro. Dalam follow up shot na. Buka 3-point shot by Patrick. Bumalik. Yeah, it's a 3-point lead na by Predica. Number 13, to Nicola. To 5. Nice fadeaway shot. Oh, no good rebound by Nick Baldemoro again. To Val. Okay, easy down. To Nicola. To Lucia. To Val. 3-point shot by Val. Long. Rebound by that's a foul. Holding foul by Nick Baldemoro. Second personal foul Nick. And first team foul. Okay. Morales. Oh, steal.
He's pushing.
That's a foul. Number 9, Pangilion. Just a third personal foul is for De Leon. Second team foul. Okay, number 1 to number 11. To Patrick Ramos. Excuse me. Okay, number 1. Shot. Rebound by Nick. Nick all the way to the goal by Nick Baldemoro.
Nice move, boy.
It's 45-40 now. Number 7, Patrick Ramos guarded by the captain of Predica. Oh, nice move by Patrick. Rebound by Nicola. Nicola. To Nicole. 2 points by Nicole. 47-40. 57-point lead. Okay, number 11 to number 7. To Brian. Oh, rebound by Nick Baldemoro. Okay, nag-easy sila.
Ayaw, Austin.
Okay, to number 54. Back to the board. The goal runners, nice pass. 2 points by 21. The score is 49-40. It's a 9-point lead now. Patrick Ramos to Brian, the Punisher, to number 11. Number 11. Nice pass to Brian. Fade away. No good rebound by Zamudro. Back to Brian. Brian for 3. Let's go. It's 43-49. 6-point lead by Puedica. Okay, number 54. 3-point shot by Lucia. Rebound by Maldimoro. Another putback. Another rebound. Wow. Maldimoro for the way short. Rebound by Zamudro. Now Brian. Nagmamadali po. Brian short. Rebound by Pau. Pass break to Nicola Russia all the way to Brian. The score is 51-43 in favor of Puedica. Number 30, John Mondina to Austin. Okay, Mikey Mouse started by Carbonero. Up to Mondina. Foul number 13, Nicole Bautista. How many fouls Nicole has? 2-second personal foul by Nicole. 13 foul. Hey, stop that. Stop that.
Oh, he lets you go. Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
No. Nick. Yeah. No, stay back. Next dead ball.
Okay, let's go. The next dead ball. No. Later.
Next. My apologies.
Number 7, Patrick Ramos to Brian Medina. Nice pass to Zamudro. No good rebound by Altamirano. To Dan Calo. To Altamirano. To Nicolas. To Dan Calo. Shot. Rebound by Pau. Ball. Good save by Pau. To Altamirano. 3-point shot by Altamirano. No good rebound by Pau. 2 points by Altamirano. It's a 10-point lead now. Patrick Ramos shot. No good rebound by Brian Mondina. 2-point shot by Brian. No. What? Last touch number 13. It's Patrick Ramos. Substitution. Now Nick Maldimoro out. Number 11, Anchota in. Sub, Philip. Okay, sub. Zamudro out. Number 10 in. Philip Duran. Okay, now back to the ball game. Here are number Mr. Altamirano, 36. To number 11, back to Altamirano.
Shoot it!
To number 11. To Nicolas. 3-point shot by Dan Calo! This challenger. 56-43 is our score. 13-point lead now. Crossover by number 11. Good defense by Ancheta. Pass number 1 to Patrick Ramos. Back to Philip to run for 3. No good. Rebound by... Okay, Puedica ball. 1 minute and 33 seconds remaining.
That's the second rebound you missed.
Alright now, Mr. Altamirano. Number 3. Nice drive by rebound. What's the call? Black ball. Just last touch. Okay. Austin, 53 seconds remaining. To Patrick Ramos. Drop shot. It's good. 2 points by Patrick. 45-56 is the score. Okay, down.
Last shot, ha?
Aguilon. 35 seconds remaining. Started by Patrick.
There you go. Kyrie. Kyrie.
Steal by Philip Duran. Okay, now Austin. Crossover, nice pass to Patrick. 2 points by Patrick Ramos. 9-point lead now, 14 seconds remaining. 12. Santalo, that's a foul. 2, 1. Okay, 2 free throws. 2 free throws by Giancarlo. Can the City come back? Or the Prodigal will dominate the whole game? We'll see. Mighty Mouse Morales. Well, good defense by Nicole Bautista. Okay. Alright. To Patrick. Nice move, Patrick. Short. Rebound by John. To Austin for 3. 2 points by Austin, the Mighty Mouse Morales. Is 50-57. 7-point lead by okay. Turnover by Bodiga. Black ball. Okay, number 11 to Patrick Ramos. Nice move. Shot by Patrick. Is good. 2 points by Patrick Ramos. I'm out. Okay, same ball. Good hustle by the black team. Number 54 Russia. Tutalo. Steal. Drop. Oh, steal by number 10. Now Austin. Crossover, good defense. Shot by Austin is long. Good, Kalawit rebound by Nick Valdemoro. There's a foul. 30. John Medina foul. How many fouls John has? First personal foul by John and first team foul. Okay. Nick to Nicolas. Good pirouette move. There's a foul. Who's foul?
Black shirt, 7.
Number 7, Patrick Ramos. How many fouls, Patrick? First personal Patrick and second team foul. Okay, Nick to Russia. Steal completed. Now, Brian shot. Now the rebound by Nicole. Okay, slow down. Giancarlo. Shot by Dan. No good. Rebound by Nicolas. Okay, give it to number 13. Russia. Steal. Brian Mondina. Lumabas to Austin. Good up. There's a foul. Number 6, Nick Valdemoro foul. That's your third personal foul. Timeout, Black. That's your second. 2 more timeouts both.
So team fouls, what do we look like?
I can turn into my wife. Wait to me forever, oh, I swear you're my wife. A girl, I can get, cause she don't get too many likes. A girl, yeah, a cutie, I can turn into my wife. Wait to me forever,
Okay. Two more. Both.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. 6 minutes and 52 seconds. 57-52. City ball. No, it's okay. That's okay. Okay, Patrick Ramos, number 1 to Patrick. To Brian. There's a 2. Rebound by Nicolo. Nicolo Alicia. Good move by Nicolo. Shot by Nicolo. Rebound by Patrick. It's on Patrick, guarded by Nicole. To Austin. To Brian. Good defense by Rika. Steal by Nicole. Nicole, 2 points by Bautista. Talagang bago rin ito si Nicole, ha? Okay, now Patrick Ramos to 3. Oh! Akalain mo. Oh, Patrick Ramos is a good guy. Good player, ha? It's 59-55. Okay, Nicole. Nicole. Shot by Nicole Brady, 2 points. It's 61-55. 6-point give. Now Ramos. Block.
It's a foul.
Nicolo. That's your second personal Russian and second team foul. Okay. 2 free throws to be awarded to number 7. First one is what happened? Okay, let's see the second free throw of Patrick Ramos, number 7. It's good. There you go, 56-61. 5-point lead by Padica. Okay, now 54 Rustia. Signaling the play to Nicole. Nicole, whoa! Magandang maikot-ikotin, parang ipo-ipo. Who's foul? Number 7, Patrick Ramos. That's your second personal foul and third team foul. Okay, 2 free throws. First one is good. Okay, let's see the second free throw of number 13, Bautista. It's good again. The score is 63-56. Number 1, the Punisher Mondina, guarded by Tancalo, discovering him. Good defense by Tancalo. Whoa, steal! Wow! Nice pass! Whoa! Time out! 2 points by Nicolas. Okay, Bako, Mondina, number 30 to Austin. Oh, good crossover. Oh. Habis defense now, Patrick Ramos, yung kamador ng team ng Black. Oh. Morales to number 30, John, to Patrick. Patrick to Austin, 15 short, would be rebound, back to Austin. It's 2 points by Austin, 58-65. Okay, 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Nicole, high post, guarded by John. To Kyle. Here we go! Ang galing ng move na yun ni Kyle Carbonero. 2, ha?
Yes! Go watch the ball!
Mondina! No, rebound by Nicolo! Oh, inisip ni Nicolo. Russia. Marami mga Nick dito. Nick Baltimoro, Nicolo Russia, Nick Bautista, Nicolas.
Hands up, Phil!
Okay, foul to Leon, target by number 10. Last 2 minutes. To number 3, stop clock card. To number 54. Is that? Alright, good. Nicolas! It's 69 to 58. Crossover by number 11 to Zagubio, to Philip Duran, back to Austin for 3. Oh my God, good backs out. To number 13.
Back, time out.
Time out. Okay, pwede ka go. Good. Nick Baltimore. Guarded by Brian. Nice pass to... Oh, this is traveling.
Alright.
Stop. 24. Alright.
Not over yet.
1 minute and 13. Now Philip to number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by John. To Brian. To Austin. Yeah, Austin for 3. No good. Rebound by Nicole. Okay, pass it to foul. There's a foul. How many 19 seconds? Shot that's what? There's a foul. 30. Number 13, John Mundina. 2 free throws to be awarded to number first one to 23. Kyle Carbonero. Wala. 3 seconds.
30.
Number 30, John. Okay, second one is good. 17:58, 44 seconds remaining. To Philip, to Brian. 2 flash shot by Brian. Long. Good basket by Kyle Carbonero. There's a foul.
Which foul left?
Number 7, Patrick Ramos. That's 4. Third personal foul and 13 foul. 17:58. Okay, 27 seconds remaining. Ancheta for 3.
Yeah!
No good. Rebound by Austin Morales. 15 seconds. 3-point shot by Austin. No good. Rebound by Pau. Pass it to number 11. Ancheta. 4.8 seconds. Shot by Ancheta. It's good. 2 points by Ancheta. Congratulations. Baby girl.